Configuring Password Bouncer's target computers. The Password Bouncer Target Computers screen allows you to manage the deployment of Password Bouncer to domain controllers. To manage Password Bouncer target computer configuration, select Password Bouncer from the product tree and Target Computers under Options. When Password Bouncer is deployed to a domain controller, a Password Bouncer DLL file is placed in the Windows System 32 directory, a registry key is created, and key values are populated. To activate Password Bouncer on a domain controller after deployment, reboot that domain controller to place the DLL in memory. Select Add Domain DCs to add all domain controllers for a domain. Alternatively, type the NetBIOS or domain name of a domain controller in the computer text box and select Add this computer. Then save the changes you made to the list. Select Delete to delete checked items. You can select all checkboxes and clear all to deselect all checked items. Install deploys the DLL and registry entries to the selected domain controllers, and uninstall removes the DLL and registry entries. Get Status refreshes the status display of the Password Bouncer components on the selected domain controllers. Reboot remotely reboots the selected domain controllers. Administrators may set how often Password Bouncer configuration settings for the domain controllers are verified. The table lists the name of each domain controller, the IP address of the server, the domain to which it belongs, and the controller status. In Registry indicates when the registry is modified for Password Bouncer. DLL Present indicates that DLL is present in the Windows System 32 directory of the domain controller. DLL in Use indicates that the domain controller was rebooted since the deployment of Password Bouncer and the DLL file resident in memory. A green check and red X relate favorable and unfavorable states. DLL Version displays the version of the DLL in resident in memory on the domain controller. And error messages are displayed in the table. For more on configuring Password Bouncer's target computers, visit the Avatir Support Wiki.